Okay, good day guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder to smash the like button guys. Hit the like button guys. Give the youths them a strength. It is a free and easy way to support the channel. We're out here trying to put in the work for you guys. Right? And as always, massive thanks for all the support that the channel has received thus far. Okay, so you guys see the title, you guys see the banner at the end of your screen. Adrian Mariappa. Credible sources are saying that it looks as if Maps has signed for an Australian A-League team. This is a big deal, guys. This is a big deal, right? It's a big deal. And the source is, let me just give you guys the source of this information. So the source of this information is Rob Statton, right? Rob Statton is a BBC Sheffield sports journalist, right? So credible journalist, credible, we all know the BBC is as credible as they come. I'm going to read the article. Well, I'm just showing you the tweet and the article. See there you go. Rob Statton saying that understand Adrian Mariappa has signed for a club in Australia for the remainder of the season, so he won't be joining #Sheffield Wednesday FC. Right? So guys, a credible journalist from a credible platform is saying that our veteran reggae boy, our loyal and humble servant throughout the years, Adrian Mariappa, right, has found a new home, right? There's still no official confirmation just yet, right? But, a credible journalist from a credible platform is saying it. We will wait and see if it is indeed true. Right? We will wait and see if it is indeed true. No confirmation from any party just yet. I haven't seen it. I have been looking and I haven't seen any thus far. So, but a credible journalist from a credible platform is saying that Maps has signed for an Australian club. It would be it's a little bit surprising to me. Let me share the other article with you guys quickly. Let me share the other article with you guys. There we go. Sheffield Wednesday handed blow in pursuit of 58 cap free agent. Sheffield Wednesday looks set to miss out on experienced defender Adrian Mariappa, according to BBC's Sheffield's Rob Statton. It emerged yesterday that amid a rising injury list at Hillsborough, especially at the back, that Darren Moore had offered a deal to the 35-year-old Jamaican international who has amassed 58 caps for the Reggae Boyz. A deadline of 5 p.m. this evening, which I think was yesterday, was set for Mariappa, who played 25 times for Bristol City in the championship last season, to make his decision. And it seems he has gone ahead and chose another club. Per Statton, the ex-Watford and Crystal Palace man will be heading to the other side of the world to link up with an Australian side instead of signing a deal in South Yorkshire. That will be a bitter blow to Moore, who is looking for reinforcements in defense thanks to injuries to the likes of Sam Hutchinson, Dominic Lorfa, and Lewis Gibson. Right, guys, it's a little bit surprising to me that he would choose Australia over Sheffield Wednesday, a prestigious club in the UK, a big prestigious club in the UK, playing in League One, right? The English third division, right? I don't know. Probably, he is gonna be getting first division football in Australia, and that's what he really wants. Probably he wants a new challenge. Probably he wants a new experience. You know, probably his monetary reasons as well, right? It still is a little bit of a surprise to me that it is being reported by credible sources that he, you know, made a move to Australia, right? That is a bit surprising to me. I mean, I think he would want to stay in the UK, you know, at a prestigious club in the third division, you know, good league, you know, close to family, etc., right? You know, these moves to other countries are tricky, especially when the family is brought into the equation. So it's surprising to me when I saw this news, right? It is very surprising to me. You know, it took me off guard, to be honest with you. But hey, we don't know the reasons for this, right? We don't know the reasons, you know, what Mariappa or why Mariappa would have, you know, gone this route. If he has indeed gone this route, we don't know the reasons. So, you know, I'd love to hear what he has to say on the matter, but we haven't heard from him just yet, and we haven't heard from any party involved, because right now we don't even know what team. I'm desperately trying to see, you know, what team, you know, Mariappa is moving to. Right now we just hear that he's moving to Australia from this credible journalist working for this credible platform, right? Again, understand Adrian Mariappa. Rob Staton is saying on his Twitter, understand Adrian Mariappa has signed for a club in Australia for the remainder of the season, so he won't be joining Sheffield Wednesday Football Club, right? Again, move a little bit surprising if it is indeed that the move has indeed taken place. So guys, you know, smash the like button again, guys. Free and easy way to support the channel, you know. Thanks for the support, you know, and, you know, take care, guys. Big news coming out in the wee hours of the morning, right? Potential. It looks as if, from what credible sources is saying, you know, top veteran reggae boy Adrian Mariappa has made a move. We'll wait to see the official confirmation. So guys, take care, and if it does indeed materialize. So guys, take care, stay safe, and until next time.